A news just coming in, the Union Power Ministry has now released data on Delhi. As per the information that has been released by the Power Ministry, as far as Delhi is concerned, it says that Delhi Discoms, there is no outage on account of a power shortage, as has been claimed by the Delhi government. Do remember that the Delhi government's Power Minister held a press conference yesterday where he talked about the fact that due to the shortage of coal supply to various power producing units across the country, Delhi perhaps could be facing a power shortage in the next 2 to 3 days. On the phone line with me is Sumi. Sumi, give us more details of the data that has been released by the Central Power Ministry over the amount of electricity that is still there with Delhi and its correlation to the coal crisis.
Yes, absolutely. The Union Power Ministry has in fact released this statement to avoid all sorts of confusion among the consumers that there has been no power outage due to the electricity shortage. And in fact, in the statement, I would like to read out, it has been very categorically stated that the maximum demand of Delhi was 4,536 megawatt and 96.2 mega unit of energy was consumed on the 10th of October. And that has been the maximum amount of energy that has been consumed to produce this amount of electricity. And in fact, there has been no power outage due to any electricity shortage in the national capital. So this is a statement that has come from the Power Ministry. And in fact, yesterday also, Union Home Minister Amit Shah held a very crucial meeting which lasted for an hour with the Power Minister Rajkumar Singh and also the Coal Minister Prahlad Joshi, and all other officials from the ministry also attended that crucial meeting. And in fact, this has come amid this crisis that has been stated by major states, major electricity producing states, and in fact, national capital is in the cusp of it. And Arvind Kejriwal, we know that Chief Minister of the national capital, he had written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressing the concern about the coal depletion and of it leading to the electricity shortage. However, the national capital and the citizens of it haven't faced anything, and there has been a situation of the center versus the states, because there have been various states such as Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and the national capital. They have, and the chief ministers have written the letters expressing their respective concerns and urging the Prime Minister to help them with the depletion of the coal and thereby the gas supplies also, with adequate gas supplies also. But the Power Ministry has very categorically said that now the electricity generating plants will have to do with the unallocated power. There has been a major supply of unallocated power and they have to use it. And in case of any surplus energy, they have to intermit various plants so that the needy states can use the reallocated power. So this statement, which has come from the Power Ministry, certainly removes all sorts of any confusion that has been in the minds of the consumers. And since as a resident of the national capital, I haven't faced any power outage, and in fact in my area along with the adjacent areas, and apart from me, there have been various residents who have whom we have come across, and they haven't complained of any power outage in the national capital in the last few days. And in fact, 10th October was the day when maximum amount of electricity was consumed by the consumers, and that electricity came out to be 4,536 megawatt, which was again generated by utilizing 96.2 mega unit of the energy. So that is the statement that has come from the Power Ministry at a time when consumers wanted to hear that there has been a proper solution to the existing problem, and the coal supplies and the gas supplies have already been provided to these states as requestioned by them.
Now, what we are told, of course, is that the government has said that it will, on the other side, ensure that Discoms in Delhi, which essentially are power distribution companies, will get as much power as is requisitioned by the Delhi government. Now, yesterday, however, we saw the Delhi Power Minister come out and say that because there is a coal crisis in the country, Delhi could be hit, but that hasn't happened yet.
Yes.
Yes, so far, Nupur, it hasn't been hit, and in fact, the residents haven't experienced the electricity shortage. And as the Power Ministry statement also stated the same, that there has been no power outage. And in fact, all of the confusions, to clear all of the confusion, the statement was released yesterday after the crucial meeting that lasted for an hour with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And in fact, Delhi is given the electricity by various distribution firms. There is BS ES Yamuna Power, there is BS ES in fact Power. There are two distribution firms and one more distribution firm by Tata Power Delhi Distribution, and these distribution firms are in joint venture with the Delhi Power Co Limited, and in fact they own 49% of the stake. So all these distribution firms have been also asked to reuse the unallocated power which is present there in abundance, and if they are in surplus amount of energy, if they get surplus amount of energy and the electricity, they have to intermit all of these electricity units so that those amount of
Absolutely.
the unallocated power which has been already utilized can be reallocated to the needy state. So that is how the entire situation is being handled right now, and it is quite logical to do that by the center to remove and to solve the problem in hand.
Absolutely, Sumi, as you're pointing out, so then the centre has taken a host of measures to ensure that Delhi and other states get uninterrupted power supply. For the moment, Sumi, thank you for joining us.